Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Zecirl V519 OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner Tool. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Full OBD2 modes scanner for car. The V519 is a professional car scanner equipped with all the necessary OBD2 functions. It can read and clear codes, turn off the engine light or MIL. View freeze frame data, check I/M readiness, retrieve vehicle VIN, test battery voltage, display live data stream with graphing, has 3590 built-in DTCs, perform O2 sensor tests, enable onboard monitoring mode, and conduct component testing. 35,901 DTC Lookup. The V519 car code reader has 35,901 DTCs, which is a significant advantage over older models with only 3,000 to 10,000. It can better diagnose and solve vehicle faults, making it an ideal choice for upgrading or replacing an existing car scanner. Enhanced OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner Tool. Live data and DTC's replay combined with printing function, you can connect it to a computer for fault data printing, prevent auto repair shops from charging randomly, save time. Text and graphical data display. Experience real-time vehicle sensor data in both text and graphical format for enhanced visibility and monitoring. Track crucial metrics like car speed, load values, engine coolant temperature, and RPM at a glance. Explore your vehicle's status by comparing freeze frame data with real-time readings for a comprehensive analysis. Diagnostic OBD2 Scanner Tool compatible with 98% vehicles and multiple languages. The code reader OBD2 scanner for cars is designed to be compatible with most vehicles manufactured after 1996 US-based, 2002 EU-based and 2008 Asian cars. If your car has a 16-pin OBD2 port and was produced within the specified timeline, it should be compatible with the code reader and the OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool support for 10 languages: English, French, Spanish, German, Chinese, Russian, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Dutch, which make it easy to use for people from different countries. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.